I come from a poor family. Yeah? When I say a poor family, we always had a roof over our heads. Yeah? We always had food on the table. But that was about it. Yeah? There was no trainers every month, or at least one holiday per year, or one holiday every 3 years. Nah, none of that. Yeah. And speaking about food, I used to have to get free school meals when I was in school. Yeah. Free school meals. You know, like where you have to tick that register to say, yeah, that was, man. Yeah. My mum couldn't afford to give me pocket money. Yeah. Now my mum would say, oh yeah, it was because you was a bad boy, that's why. Bullshit. Yeah. I had to go to school and buy and sell crisp and drinks to earn my own money. Yeah. So I was always self-sufficient from day one. Yeah. I've been in a gang. I've been to prison. And I've been stabbed. Yeah. And at the age of 24, I was able to buy my own property on my own. Yeah. I didn't get help from nobody. Yeah. Nobody gave me a penny. It was all out of my own pocket. Yeah. No one gave me any guidance as well. I had to save that money. Yeah. No one told me this is how you save up for a property. Yeah. Man, I had to work this out for myself. Yeah. I came out of prison when I was 18 in 2011. And I got an apprenticeship with the local council. Yeah. And remember, I'm from the ends. Yeah. I'm from the ends. So I don't mix outside of people from the ends. Yeah. And in the ends, a lot of people say, oh yeah, man, when we get money, we're gonna buy a property, and it's bullshit. Yeah. Them man, they think that that's what they're gonna do. Yeah. They hope that that's what they're gonna do, but they don't really get round to it. Yeah. For various obvious reasons, innit? Yeah. But when I went to work, man met a lot of different type of people, like normal people who did normal things and lived normal lifestyle. And they told me, like, yeah, you know, when I was 21, and at the time they're 29, yeah, I bought my property with my fiance, and now my wife, like, you know, she's my wife now. And I'm thinking, like, rah, like, they helped to inspire me. I'm thinking to myself, fuck, like, I'm 19 at the time. Yeah, car. I was 18 when I came out of prison, and then by the time I got the apprenticeship in December, I turned 19. I'm thinking, like, rah, if these lot can do it, I can. Yeah, I can. Because at the end of the day, right, these men that I'm working with, soon when I become a fully qualified electrician, I'm going to be earning the same money as them. So if I'm earning the same money as them and they got a property, why can't I have a property? Yeah? So I passed all my electrical qualifications and stuff, became a fully qualified electrician. Yeah. For me to buy the property, it was so simple. Yeah, and this video isn't even gonna take that long. So simple. I became an electrician, and they put me on a wage of like 28 grand a year. Right. I was taking home about 1,800 a month. Yeah. So I was taking home 1,800 per month. Yeah. And I just said to myself, right, I want to save up enough to buy my own property. Yeah. So for the next 3 years, I will live throughout my money, right? So I have 1,800, yeah? My bills come up to about £800, yeah? So bills and, you know, spending money here and there, whatever, that all comes up to £800, yeah? And that £1,000, I'm going to put away in a bank, yeah? Every month. And I did it. Every month for 3 whole years, right? Obviously, there were times where man had to pay for my motorbike, pay for my car, pay for this, pay for that. Yeah, so I wasn't able to save a grand every single month. But pretty much out of those 36 months that came, I saved a grand every single month. Yeah? I remember in 2016 of August, yeah, I had about 31 grand to my name. Yeah, now at the time, that was the most amount of money I ever had, innit? Now I got more than that now, innit? But yeah, man had 31 grand to my name, yeah? And it wasn't a coincidence that I did as well, because I knew how to save my money, yeah? I am, some may regard as being a tight person. I'm not cheap, yeah? I don't buy like Asda value toothpaste, but I'm tight with my money. I know how to use my money and utilize it and save it and not spend it on bullshit. Yeah. So if you want to buy a property, yeah, you see all this lifestyle that you're living, like you're driving a Mercedes and, you know, you're going out here and going out there with all your friends, that needs to stop. That needs to stop. Yeah. So when I became a fully qualified electrician, because when I was an apprentice, I used to take home about 1,100 tops. Yeah. But I said to myself, when I become a fully qualified electrician, when I'm taking up 18, 19, 2,000 pounds a month, yeah, I'm not going to upgrade my lifestyle, yeah. So this piece of shit Honda Civic I was driving at the time, that's not changing, yeah. That's not changing. I will drive that car until I buy a house, then I'll get a car, yeah. So I didn't upgrade my lifestyle, yeah. So I lived like an apprentice for the 3 years until I got my money, yeah? And I still have that mentality now anyway. I'm not a big spender like that. I don't wear Gucci, I don't care about Balenciaga or nothing like that, yeah? I don't give a fuck about fashion, I don't give a fuck about impressing nobody, no friends, nobody, yeah? So I just kept myself humble, yeah? You know, living throughout, you know, got 800 pounds, right? And I make that last me, yeah? Bills and little doing bits and pieces here and there. And that 800 pound last me, that 1,000 pound, that goes straight in the bank, yeah? And I've done that for 3 whole years. As I said, again, you know, there's always gonna be times where you're gonna be a bit low in it because of Christmas and this and that and these things come up and that, and yeah. But I just kept it humble. And it was funny as well, I got a family member and her boyfriend seems to think that he knows it all, yeah. And he told me, oh Jay, when you become fully qualified and your money goes up, you're gonna upgrade your lifestyle. And I said, nah fam, nah, I'm not doing it, trust me. And he was like, yeah, you say that. And look, he was wrong. He was fucking wrong, man. As soon as the money went up, nothing changed, yeah. Saving that 1,000 pounds per month for 3 whole years, yeah. But I tell you what, a lot of people's problem is they're not willing to go without because they want to impress their friends, yeah. They want to drive that Mercedes. Everyone want to drive a Mercedes. I want to drive a Mercedes, yeah. But I know that there's certain things that's more important than driving a Mercedes or an Audi or a BMW or a Jaguar, yeah. So I didn't give a fuck what them lot was doing. Like when other people were buying nice cars and financing, leasing cars, I didn't give a fuck, yeah. Because I know them same people there, yeah. Man know people right now, but they got Mercedes and all this, but they ain't got their own property. They ain't got money to buy a next property after that first property, yeah. But I got brethrens, yeah. I got brethrens. My brethren, he drives a Vauxhall Astra, yeah. But this brother's got 2 properties and he's looking to buy his 3rd one as well, yeah. Similarly, bro, man's just got a Honda Civic Type S, yeah, 2009, yeah. Got my Northampton property, got my Egypt one, and I got money for a next one, yeah. But that's what it takes, yeah. That's what it takes. You have to go without for a long time to get, yeah. So them people there that drive all fucking Mercedes and wear Gucci and that, they ain't got no property because their mind is not in the right place, yeah. They're not willing to go without for a very long time so that they have it in the end, yeah. And I was always like that because I've always been good with money, yeah. I said from day one, man was selling Crispin drinks in school, innit, yeah. So I never had that urge to. I've always been smart with my money, innit? I never felt that urge to spend money and buy this and buy that. Nah, when I could afford it as well, yeah. So that's the kind of mindset you need to have, innit, yeah. If you don't want to be saving up for a very long time to buy a property, you don't want to save up for 2 years, then boy, if you're not willing to save up for 2 years and cut back, yeah, and live like a humble lifestyle for 2 years to get this property, then you're never gonna climb. You're never gonna climb the property ladder, innit? You're never gonna climb the property ladder, It's so simple. Yeah, I got the job. I started saving £1,000 a month for 3 years, and I was able to save up to buy a property, innit? Yeah, simple. Simple. But what people's problem is, they can't see long term. They only see short term. They only see their friends. They only see, oh yeah, I'm taking out this girl. Oh, I impressed this girl. Oh, stunt in front of these people, innit? Keep doing it. Keep doing it and see where that gets you, innit? Yeah. Now I'm gonna make another video about obviously how much it cost me to buy the property, and you know how much it cost me to furnish the property, and all the charges, and you know the breakdown of how much the conveyancing fees were, you know, all them types of things, innit? So look out for that video, innit? But this was just to let you guys know, like, it can be done, innit? Yeah, it can be done. Yeah, you can be from humble beginnings. Yeah, you can live a fucked up lifestyle, and you can still turn your life around, innit? 'Cause I'm the proof. I've done it. Yeah. Stay wise.